If the midpoints of a triangle are A, -2, 2, and B, 2, 2, and C, 0, -2, what are the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle? So first thing is I'm going to plot these midpoints. So A is -2, 2, that's right there. Put a point A. B is +2, 2, so put a point B. C is 0, -2, put a point C. Now let me go ahead and connect. Okay, so there's the inner triangle that's formed by the three midsegments. And we know this because A, B, and C are all midpoints. So the way you draw the full triangle is you need to draw segments that are parallel to each midsegment and twice as long. So here's segment BC, for example. The slope from C to B is 2 because you go up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1. That means through point A, we're going to have the same type of a situation. So starting from here, up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1, that takes you to point A. Let's draw that. So this is half of one of the sides of the triangle. Now I need to continue up above A, up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1 to there. This is going to be one side of the triangle. So for segment AC, there's a slope of -2, down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1. So we're going to follow that slope pattern here from this point. So down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1 is there. Okay, so there's half of the triangle on this side. And then you need another half, so down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1. It'll take you right there. So here's another side of the triangle. Now the third side of the triangle, you can already see where it's going to go, but you just want to verify that the slope and the length is right. The slope here is 0, it's flat, horizontal line, and the length is 4. So the distance here should be 4, and so should the distance here, which it is. Okay, now there's the triangle. Now we need to know what the coordinates of the vertices are. Here's a vertex here. It's going to be -4, -2. Here's a vertex here. It's 4, -2. Here's a vertex here, 0, and then up 6. So let's match the coordinates now. -4, -2, and then 4, -2, and 0, 6. That's D. Okay, so let me summarize the process again. Plotted the three midpoints, A, B, and C, drew the inner triangle that was made of the midsegments, and then we drew the sides of the triangle based upon the slope of the midsegment. We just drew the outside of the triangle.